What's up, YouTube? I know I haven't made a video in a while, but I'm going to start making a lot of them because I'm going to a lot of Crawdads games. I might get season tickets, low single-A affiliate of the Rangers. Here's my ticket for the proof, Thursday, April 12th. Here's 2 programs. And I'll start off with what I got. I didn't do good last time, but I'll start getting better at it. I haven't printed off a lot of pictures. Kellen Deglin on a Heritage. Nice card. Trevor Story for the Asheville Tourist. Crawdads played the Asheville Tourist 4x6 photo. Shortstop or third base last night. And then after the game, the coach gave me his lineup card. It's pretty sick. Crawdads versus Tourist. And then it's got all the facts and all that. And then Trevor Story, I was talking to him after the game, and he gave me his bat. Sick bat. As you can see, it's maple. I don't know what kind of bat it is, but yeah, if anybody needs any 50/50s or help and W Hill 7, I'll send you a PM right after this video. Thanks for watching.